Welcome to the Profile Area Talent Talks 24. With the RWTH Speed Funds, our top talents bring their vision of interdisciplinary cutting-edge research to reality.
Material-based field effect transistors are promising to overcome the limitations of silicon technology, especially when it comes to downscaling. In my master thesis, we focused on GFETs, which stands for graphene field effect transistors. However, stability has always been an issue for these devices, and finding a compatible gate insulator is a must for a stable operation. Therefore, we inspected the compatibility of magnesium fluoride as a gate insulator for GFETs. SpeedFund provided me the crucial resources that facilitated the first and final stages of my master thesis, ensuring that I had access to necessary tools and substrate to achieve my objectives efficiently and effectively. It was very important to propel my work forward, maintaining my momentum and focusing on delivering high-quality results. My master thesis work has about to come to an end here, and in a couple of months I will continue my career as an analog integrated circuit designer in Netherlands.
Interdisciplinarity lies in the DNA of the team of the MMP. Mechatronics stands for the combination of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering and computer science. These three competences are absolutely crucial because new powertrains of the future can only be optimized by considering the components and the operation strategy in the very beginning of the research and development process.
Speed funds enable our students to work on a technical project for the first time in their career. They get full responsibility of the financial planning, the task execution, and in the end to deliver the expected results.
The goal of my thesis is to develop a camera-based environment perception algorithm for marine applications, and for the purpose, I trained a deep learning-based model for image semantic segmentation. Currently, I started my career as a research assistant at the MMP to continue my research on autonomous driving and hardware-in-the-loop applications.
My work deals with the optimization of trays used for operations, meaning we decide on which instruments to put into which trays and then assigning the constructed trays to the planned surgeries. During the construction, we assume the number and the exact type of surgery to be uncertain. Our results showed that there's great potential for optimizing a hospital's tray inventory, both for reducing the tray combinations used for the same surgery and the costs associated with holding and sterilizing the trays. The support of the Speed Funds helped me to spend a month abroad in the Netherlands, where I was able to work closely together with the University of Twente and the choir group. During my stay, I was also able to visit the Diakonessenhuis Hospital to see the practical side of my problem. In July, we're going to present my master thesis at the ORIS conference for operations research applied to health services, and afterwards, I'm starting my PhD this fall.
So the Speed Funds enabled Johanna to stay abroad. There she got the experience in working in a new environment and deepen her understanding of research. In total, we were able to get a better cooperation between the University of Twente and the University of Aachen, and her work actually got accepted at one of our conferences.
We initiated a Willoprint research project to prove that large-scale printing with purely natural material is possible. Therefore, we are very happy for Anton Meithoff's groundbreaking research on how to implement mycelium growth into this technology.
My master's thesis was carried out at the Faculty of Architecture at the Institute and Chair of Landscape Architecture. It was an interdisciplinary research into biodegradable 3D printing pastes with a high amount of wood powder. I explored the addition of mycelia, which are in simple terms the roots of fungi. Besides setting up a suitable infrastructure, I concentrated on an architectural perspective on ephemeral materials and buildings. I have managed to integrate mycelia into biodegradable wood printing pastes and to stimulate their growth. However, the whole process is still very complex and highly sensitive. Without the support of the Speed Fund grant, researching my topic would simply not have been possible. It enabled me to build up a suitable infrastructure with a high amount of hygiene, which can usually only be seen in biological laboratories. I want to continue to use my education in architecture to reflect on environmentally friendly materials and techniques in order to design the building industry in a more ecologically friendly and sensible way.
The Speed Fund is a very nice and valuable tool for the profile areas of our university because it complements other formats which we also have, like the Seed Fund, which is more a long-term instrument. So with the Speed Fund, it's quite quick to apply for money which students can use in order to validate their research, so to build prototypes and look and evaluate whether their idea really works. The results then form the basis for also our consulting, whether they should go for a scientific career or whether we would like to recommend to them to found a small startup, which we then of course will also consult and accompany.
Sehr herzlich möchte ich mich bei der Hans-Hermann-Voss-Stiftung bedanken für die Unterstützung der Profile Area Talent Talks und insbesondere für die Speed Funds für unsere Absolventinnen und Absolventen. Sie ermöglichen damit den jungen Studierenden eine erste Orientierung auf dem Sprung vom Studium ins Berufsleben. Sie unterstützen damit eine wissenschaftliche Publikation oder Prototyping oder vielleicht sogar die Gründung eines eigenen Unternehmens oder die ersten Schritte in eine Promotion. Auf jeden Fall unterstützen Sie junge Studentinnen und Studenten bei der Orientierung mit Blick auf, was kommt nach dem Studium. Und das verdient jeden Respekt und jede Anerkennung. Ganz herzlichen Dank.